So hello students, आज आम impact of jet आउट केस पढ़िया impact of jet on a curved plate, curved fixed plate or stationary plate. So first केस में stationary पढ़िया ताकि moving पढ़िया तो suppose मोटे curved plate को construct करूँगी. Let this is a curved plate. This is a curved plate. Like this. You would have curved plates actually. Fixed curved plates. Deeper data fixed support actually. Right. So, a fixed curved plate could a jet on impact also. You would have pipe properly. This is a pipe. And this is a nozzle. Okay. The water is flowing from the pipe and passing through the nozzle like this. So the water nozzle the pass kala and the pass kala. When the water passing through the nozzle or comes out from the nozzle, let this time the velocity of the jet is equal to v. Okay, so at the same velocity, the jet will strike the plate here. So the velocity at which the jet will strike the plate is also v. Now after striking the plate, the jet will move like this. First, the jet will glide over the surface of the curved plates. Considering the surface is very smooth, so there is no loss of energy due to friction. So the velocity, the water will flow like this. Firstly, the water glides over the surface of the plate, and it will flow like this. Also like this. So first jet कौन हला jet देखी बाड़े हला बाड़े ही साला परे jet कौन हला sliding ही गला जे curved plate surface देखी एक बड़ी इम्ती बाहर गला. So जो velocity से पीटी ही गला जो velocity से बाड़े ही गला मन करें velocity से v velocity बाड़े ही गला exactly v velocity पर बाहर गला v velocity से बाहर गला. You see, so here the initial velocity can be counted as v. Now the final velocity. Final velocity also v. If it is bahar this velocity also v. Okay. हमें एक्चुअली कौन करो ना velocity कि बा force को दी जा direction ले resolve करो बा calculate करो. So what is horizontal और what is vertical. तो ये velocity को कौन करो सी ना तो यार vertical horizontal और vertical component हो सी ये वाला horizontal ले vertical ले. So माने कर जो एंगल वेलोसिटी टा आउटलेट में छाड़ेला आउटलेट कला बाहर लास्टी सी हॉरिजॉन्टल से तो एंगल प्लेट कला थीटा दैट इज द एंगल थीटा. ओके, so theta means the angle of velocity at outlet with the horizontal. So this is angle is theta. If this is theta, then this will be the horizontal component of v. So we can write this is v cos theta, and it will the vertical component of the velocity v, and it will be sin theta. Is it? Okay, so now here the initial velocity at which the jet strikes the plate is v. So velocity initial here, velocity initial is v. Here we can write velocity vi initial velocity is equal to v, and v final velocity or velocity outlet we can write vf is equal to how much? The final velocity is minus v cos theta because the direction of the jet is in this way. Okay, and the velocity is in opposite direction. That's why we consider negative side minus v cos theta. So initial velocity v and final velocity is minus v cos theta. Okay, now the force exerted by the jet on the plate is very important. Now the force the force exerted by the jet on the fixed car plate. So which is equal to how much? Which is equal to how much? Which is equal to the same thing, mass by time using Newton's second law of motion. Mass by time into initial velocity minus final velocity vi minus vf. Okay, as usual, previous data case में तुम देखी परियो. This is mass by time into vi minus vf. Okay, this Newton's second law is used to find out the force exerted. So mass by time means we have the mass by time we already calculated in previous video. This is rho a v. V is velocity and the v is initial velocity into initial minus final. As initial velocity is v and final velocity is initial minus final velocity. Sorry, v minus v cos theta. Is it okay? So which is equal to rho a v into v plus v cos theta, or which is equal to rho a v square into 1 plus cos theta, and this force is in horizontal direction. Okay, and we can say this force is Fx. This is Fx. The force is in horizontal direction, or this is Fx. This is Fx. Now this is the force exerted by the jet in horizontal direction. Okay. So in this case there is a force in vertical direction also. Now you can calculate. Now the force exerted in this case the force exerted by the jet on the fixed car plate in horizontal direction. That's why it is written as Fx. Now the force in vertical direction. Force in vertical direction is, we can write Fy, which is equal to also same thing, same formula is happening here. Mass by time into Vi minus Vi. Right? This mass by time is rho a v into initial velocity is how much here? Initial velocity in vertical direction is 0. Okay, काहे कि velocity direct वाले यूज की आखिर vertical है कौन सी चीज 9. तो vertical direction में जो velocity this is 0 minus initial velocity vertical direction ना final velocity vertical direction में already v sin theta minus v sin theta. So which is equal to minus rho a v square sin theta. This is what? This is a velocity in vertical direction. This is the velocity in vertical direction. Force exerted in vertical directions. So Fy is equal to minus rho a v square sin theta, and Fx is equal to rho a v square 1 plus cos theta. Two different cases. Now the negative sign means the force is in downward direction. So it ଯେତେବେଳେ ପାଣିଟା ବାଡେଇ ହେଉଛି, ପାଣି ଉପରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ପାଣିଟା ସବୁବେଳେ ତଳକୁ ବଳେ. Right? So you have to go simple concept. Remember, negative sign automatically asks. Negative sign means the force is in downward direction. The vertical force is in downward direction, and the horizontal force is. Okay? And in this case, the work done is 0 because the plate is stationary. It is not moving, and as it is not moving, there is no displacement, and if displacement is 0, then there is no work. Okay, so this is all about the force. This is all about the force exerted by a jet on a stationary car plate. On a stationary car plates. Okay, सो वीडियो किसी कौन जदि ये थे कमेंट एटलिस्ट करिवो प्लस तुम वीडियो को नोटिफिकेशन सब ऑन कर रखिथो सो मु डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वीडियो हमें पोस्ट करछु डे टू डे सो दैट तुम नवा वीडियो विषय जानकारी पाई परिबो ओके तो मु भावछि तुम जानि परथो जिंस क्लियर हेतु सो सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो थैंक यू।